Our Hall Director apartments are fully furnished and the majority of them feature 2 bedrooms, each including a queen bed, a dresser, a nightstand, and a built-in closet. Our apartment living rooms feature a sofa, an upholstered chair, a small dining table and dining chairs. A desk is also provided in most apartments. Wi-Fi, access to IPTV, and utilities are included. Our kitchen areas include a refrigerator, a range and stove, and a dishwasher. Some apartments include in-unit washer and dryer and private or shared storage space.